going on, guys? I'm Kevin, representing Get Fit Look Great. I'm gonna do a bench press today for you guys. Now, before I tell you what my max is, can't make fun of me because I'm 13 years old. I've only been lifting for 2 months. A lot of people can't do this at my age, and they've been lifting a lot longer than me. I've been lifting for 2 months, and my 90 pounds is my max. Whatever. I'm gonna do it for you. It's my spotter right here. Can't really see his face because he's anonymous. Say hi in a dilated voice.
Hi.
Okay. Let's get it, guys. Oh, it's a flat bench. Dadgummit. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just gonna quickly change it to the decline bench, cause you know I do the decline bench. Decline that bench real quick. The reason I do the decline bench is usually when you're bench pressing and you can't get it up, you can throw your hips into it like that, and it can help you lift it up. The decline bench, you can't do that, so it's less cheating. Anyways, stop talking and get into the bench press, Kevin. 90 pounds. What's up? Oh. There's a bench press. Hope you enjoyed it. If you cannot bench press more than me, simply drop a like and subscribe if you enjoyed. If you can bench press more than me, no matter how old you are, you must click that subscribe button. Deuces.